All right, I'm back. You can see there, I have the all the wires connected in that little block according to the diagram. Now we gotta make sure we don't have any wires in the way here. There. That's good. What I should do right now is plug it in and test it before I get too carried away on getting it all back together. You know what I mean? Well, this seems kind of goofy. I don't know why this is. Not really lining up very good. Pick guards, they don't make them all the same. You go buy yourself a pick guard that says Fender Stratocaster. And then you go put it on your Stratocaster. And not a correct fit. But this is pretty darn close, but it's not perfect. Most of the holes are perfect, but not all of them. I hate doing it, but one of these screws is gonna have to go in on a bit of an angle. But can't be the worst thing, I guess. Yeah. Okay. I'll go grab a little amp. Be right back. Works. Bridge or neck. Neck middle. Middle. Middle bridge. Bridge. All right. Now this input jack though is a little let's just pull that apart. It's like mega tight. I just had to bend the tab back. It must have got bent when I installed it too far forward. So I just gave it a little bend back. It's still pretty darn tight. I'll give it a little more. It's tight. It's like brand new tight, which is good. All right. Put that back. And I kind of see the problem here with this, actually. I think the wire, let's try it. Okay. Something's holding. The wire might be in the way, and then when I put this in, it's causing that to bend. Okay, I'll just play with it. Get it bent in the right direction. Okay, see you in a bit.